So what's going on, guys? It's Hadi, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the text overflow error inside of a row. So I already created a new project and I initialize a stateless widget in here that contain a scaffold, center, and a container and a row and the text that making this error. And I'm returning this widget for the home for my application. First of all, I will change the container color. I will choose amber so we can see the changes easily. First of all, you can add a new property for this text called max lines and choose 1. If we save it, nothing will change. You can add a new property called overflow and take parameter of text overflow. I will choose ellipses so 3 dots will appear. So as you can see, nothing changed. We can wrap this text by a new widget called expanded. If we save it now, you can see the 3 dots in here. If I delete this and save my project again, the 3 dots in here disappeared. Now what if I want to show the whole text in one line? You can just simply wrap this text by a new widget called fitted box, and now if I save it, you can't even see it, but if I delete some of this text because it's so long and save it now, as you can see, the text appeared better now. Now you can also change this container width, for example, or height. I will choose, for example, 150 and save it. As you can see, there is no more overflow for this text. If I delete this, more text, and save it, also it appears very well. Now what if I delete this max line? As you can see, nothing will change. And if you add some text in here, for example, and save it, the result will be the same. So you can just rid off of the text overflow and of the max line arguments. So the solution was to wrap this text by a fitted box, then wrap it by an expanded widget. You can wrap it also by a flexible widget, it's the same, and save it. You can also, for example, add a new text beside of this text. And you can see the changes. Let's add a spacer between them. The result has barely appeared. We can change this width. So here it is. Here is the first text, and here is the second text. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the button like and subscribe.